Hi, I'm Sophie from SophieJayne.com. Thanks so much today for joining me for your 10-minute bar-inspired arm workout. As you can see, I'm sat on the floor. I'm 12 days post ACL and meniscus surgery, which means I can't do any weight bearing on my left leg for 6 weeks. If you are like me and recovering from an injury, you can do this workout from a seated position or on a chair. If you're able-bodied, you can stand up, or again, maybe you've had a leg day so you want to join me seated. Either way, you need a set of weights anywhere between 1 and 3 pounds. I've got a set of 2 pounds today. We're going to go through those full ranges of movements and small micro movements to work and utilize every single little muscle in the upper body and get that bar burn that we always crave. If you're going through recovery like me, listen to your body, and if you need to sit in a different position, please do. I want you to remind yourself how powerful and how strong you are and how proud I am of you for joining me today for 10 minutes of movement. Without any further ado, let's begin. Taking one weight in each hand, having the palms down, find that length in your spine, begin to lift the arms up to shoulder height, and then we lower halfway down. We lift and lower. So these bar-inspired exercises are all about light weights and high repetitions. So there's absolutely no need for you to count the repetitions, just to follow along with me. We're working into the front of the shoulders here. You may also feel some work down the length of the arms, maybe even into the forearms as you're holding these weights up. We want to make sure that we keep a nice lengthened spine and that the shoulders are pulled back throughout the exercise. Feels so good to be moving my body, seriously. I spent 5 days, pretty much the first 5 days in bed on painkillers, and then as soon as I could move, obviously I wanted to take things slow, giving my body that chance to recover, but it just makes you so grateful, seriously, for our bodies. So remember that, guys. Be grateful for the body you have. Okay, we're going to do this for 10 more seconds, and then we'll rotate those palms up and take it into a bicep curl. Stay in with me now for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotate the palms up. From that shoulder height, lower the arms roughly to a 45-degree angle and bicep curls. In and out. Again, we find that full range of motion, bringing the hands all the way towards the shoulders before we lengthen the arms back out. If you are taking this workout on the floor with me, one thing that we can be really mindful of is our posture. So imagine there's a piece of string lifting you from the crown of the head so you keep that length in your back. Or imagine maybe sitting against a wall. Please don't sit against a wall though, just imagine. So you do keep your lengthened spine. Oh, so I should probably check in, see how those biceps are feeling. If you're just feeling shoulders, lower the arms slightly, okay? Sometimes having those arms towards shoulder height, we can fatigue into the shoulders if you've not got quite the strength there. So the option is always to lower the arms down. We're gonna take this for 10 more seconds. And then we have a new move coming up where we then take small pulses combined with it. In 3, 2, 1. From your curl, bring those arms out to a military press position. So the elbows are in line with the shoulders and the wrists are in line with the elbows. We press up 4 times and 4 pulses. Lift, 2, 3, 4, and pulse. 2, 3, 4. Off we go. Nice wide military presses, going through that full range of motion, and then small micro movements, feeling that amazing bar burn that we crave. Working that muscular endurance. So in time, the muscles will get stronger. Trust me, you will begin to see a more toned appearance. If you're thinking, do you have to do these exercises every other day, once a week? How many times a week do you have to see these exercises for results? I would recommend doing them roughly 4 times a week, 3 to 4 times a week. Maybe one day you'll choose to do core and arms, maybe another day you'll decide to do some lower body workouts. But let's be consistent, and then also think about the foods that we are putting into the body. Which of course, you want to be really nice, whole, unprocessed, clean foods. Think when you're eating, what's this food doing for my body? Is it doing it something good? Is it helping energize it, repair it? Our food is medicine, guys, for how we're feeling. How are those shoulders feeling, by the way? I should probably ask now. Our last one, so we've got 4 big ones and then 4 tiny ones. And then we're gonna press those arms. I know you can do it all the way back up, press them up, rotate the palms in towards you, and you can clasp the hands together. If that feels uncomfortable, you can hold them separate. Either way, keep the weights close to one another. We bring the arms back behind and press up, down, and up as we go into our tricep presses. My favorite part of the arms to work. It is lowering and lift, down and up. If you're with me on the floor and you're getting any tightness in the hip flexors, maybe open the legs slightly or bend the knees, okay? Find a position where you can feel comfortable through the exercise. I'm gonna close my legs back again. You probably don't want to have that view. Down and up. Common tendencies in this exercise are for the arms to splay out. So check that the backs of the arms are staying close in towards the body. My goodness, I'm getting really warm. It's crazy how these 2-pound weights can cause so much fatigue. Lowering and lift. We're gonna hold on here for 3 more. 3, 2, our last one. Bring those weights down. Let's just take a mini breather. Give yourself a couple of shoulder rolls back. And then I'd like you to bring the elbows in at a 90-degree angle. We lift the arms to shoulder height, take a chest press forward, pull them back and lower. Lift, press, forwards, lower. Lift, press, in and down. On the chest press, so this is a seated chest press position. I really want you to push with some attitude and then control the movement on the way back. Oh my gosh, my arms are definitely feeling fatigued. But we're gonna keep on going through this workout because we know afterwards we're going to mentally feel a lot better for it, as well as physically. And if you're here in Canada with me, this will maybe be a nice great pre-workout before you enjoy your Thanksgiving dinner, maybe with family or friends. Hopefully you'll still be able to lift your knife and fork off to eat that. Lift, press, in and down. Or whatever your motivation is for being here today, I want you to think of it as we push through the final few reps, and then we will be taking some pulses at the end of this exercise. Make this your last one. Bring those arms back up to shoulder height and tiny lift and lower. We want to make sure we're not lifting from the hand, but the lift is coming from the shoulders. It's up, up. We want to make sure we're lowering no more than 1 inch. And again, keeping your upright posture, rib cage closed, belly button pulled in, and that ensures that we're engaging through our core in this exercise. We go for 10, 9. This is 5, 2, 1, and release. Releasing the weights. Just take a quick forward roll forward, roll and ripple yourself back up. One final move to go. Taking those arms out to the sides, okay? Palms are up. We breathe in, bring the elbows in towards your waist, and exhale, arms out towards the side. It's in, and then slowly out under control. So slightly faster on the way in, and then it's time under tension on the way out. So it's not necessarily how quick we're moving the arms when we exercise, it's keeping that control, and can you manage that weight under that time. We'll take 2 more slow, and then we'll go full speed in and out. Let's do this. In, out. And I want you to reach far. If you're looking forwards towards me, you should be able to able to see those weights just in your peripheral vision, pushing through to the final section before we finish off with those last pulses. We'll go 8, 6, this is 3, ready to hold those arms out on 1, and 10 tiny pulses up and down to finish. Stay with it. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and release all the way down. Weights come down to the side, lift yourself up. Bringing the left arm down, reach the right arm up and over. Feel that stretch through the side of the body. And release. If you're on a chair, you can hold underneath the chair as you do this for support. And coming all the way up. Give yourself again a couple of shoulder rolls back. We'll take the arms out in front of us, interlace the fingers, chin down to the chest, and then push the arms away from you, rounding through your spine, bringing yourself all the way up. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed your 10-minute bar inspired workout. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for many other 10-minute bar and Pilates inspired workouts. If you are injured, I wish you all the best on your recovery. Leave your comments below, as I truly hope this video inspired and motivated you going forwards. Please share with anyone who you'll know who will benefit it. Check me out on Instagram at Jayne. I'll put all the links below to my website where I've got free meal plans, and you can even join our community page on Facebook. Once again, thanks for joining me today, and enjoy the rest of your day.